What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the purple powered Novitec Ferrari F8 Spider. And this thing looks wild, but I actually love it. Now, in the last day and a half, Novitec has presented the N-Largo package dedicated to the Ferrari F8 Spider, and the production is limited to just 15 units. Now, unlike the normal tuning package that the German tuner is already offering for the F8 Spider, the N-Largo kit features several custom designed body panels and carbon fiber inserts. Now, the wider front and rear fenders have integrated air intakes, and you also have the redesigned front and rear bumpers that are now more angular. And the elimination of the air intakes on the headlights makes them look more aggressive, while the details such as the air intake on the bonnet, rear spoiler, and mirrors are inspired by Formula One and are made of carbon fiber. Now, the aggressive Novitec N-Largo body kit makes the Ferrari F8 Spider 13 centimeters wider at the rear, measuring 211 centimeters overall. And of course, the tuner offers different options for the interior trim and exterior bodywork according to each owner's preference. Now, the mid-engine supercar features Volson-built Novitec NF10 NFL rims measuring 21 inches at the front, 255/30 ZR21 tires, and 22 inches at the rear with 335/25 ZR22 tires. And these are available in 72 different color variations. And thanks to Novitec's N-Tronic module, the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 now develops 818 horsepower and 903 newton-meters of maximum torque. That's 98 horsepower and 133 newton-meters more than the serial numbers. Recall that the F8 Spider delivers 720 horsepower and 770 newton-meters stock. Now, the sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers takes place in 2.6 seconds, 0.3 seconds faster, while the 0 to 100 kilometers is 7.4 seconds, 0.4 seconds faster. And the maximum speed, on the other hand, exceeds the threshold of 340 kilometers an hour. Now, the Ferrari F8 Spider by Novitec benefits from a high-performance exhaust system made from Inconel, available as an option, which can be specified with 999 gold plating and a 100-cell sports Cadillac converter. Now, the suspension is equipped with the sportier springs, lowered by 35 millimeters with a hydraulic lifting system for the front axle, also available as an option. Unfortunately, though, Novitec did not specify the price of the special limited edition F8 Spider, but you can imagine that all 15 units are spoken for and that those prices are hefty depending on the options. So with that said, what do you think about this all-new upgraded Ferrari F8 Spider N-Largo by Novitec? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this N-Largo package for the F8 Spider. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you guys want leggings, joggers, tote bags, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. It's everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.